Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 5 Expansion Formulae. Question number 2 Simplify. In practice set 5.3, question number 2 Simplify. Examples in these questions are solved by using these two formulas that we study in the last. First, a plus b bracket q is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Second, a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here only the difference in signs. Here is plus, here is minus sign. At the last here is minus sign. So by using these two formula we simplify the examples. Example number 1. Bracket 2a plus b cube minus bracket 2a minus b cube. For first bracket we use this formula number 1, and for the second bracket we use this formula number 2, that is a minus b cube. First a plus b cube. So by using this we expand given first 2a is first term, that is the a, and b is the second term, that is the b. Hence cube of first term 2a cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 2a b square plus last, that is the second term, b cube. Then sign here minus, hence we give here minus sign, minus in square bracket. This is minus sign is above the bracket, hence in square bracket. By this expansion we use the second formula, first term cube, that is 2a cube minus, here is minus sign, 3 2a square b plus 3 2a b square minus b cube, square bracket complete. In the next step we making these cubes of given the terms. Hence first, that is 2a cube 8a cube plus 3 into 4a square into b plus 3 into 2a b square plus b cube. Next minus sign, 2a cube, that is 8a cube minus 3 into 4a square b plus 3 into 2a b square minus b cube. In next step, 8a cube. 3 into 4, that is 12 a square b, plus 3 into 2, 6 a b square, plus b cube, minus in square bracket 8a cube, then 3 into 4 a square b, minus sign here, minus 12 a square b. Next, plus 3 into 2, 6 a b square, minus b cube. Again, we solve this bracket. This minus sign is outside to the bracket. Hence, we change all the signs of these numbers when they are out of the bracket. Hence, 8 a cube plus 12 a square b plus 6 a b square plus b cube. Here plus 8a cube, that become minus 8a cube. This is minus become plus 12a square b. This is plus become minus 6a. This plus 6ab square become minus 6ab square. This minus b cube is here change sign because of this minus plus b cube. Hence, we get here the like and unlike numbers. So, let's see here which are these numbers and get that number cancelled. So, first 8a cube, here minus 8a cube, cancel each other because of opposite signs. Then these having same sign, these having opposite signs, that is plus 6ab square minus 6ab square, they also get cancelled to each other, and this is same signs. Hence, we make additions of these the like numbers, that is 12a square b plus 12a square b is 24a square b. Then here is plus sign, plus b cube plus b cube plus 2b cube. Hence, by using these two formulas, we expand the given example, and by making additions and subtraction, the get number here unlike number are get cancelled, and we get the answer 24a square b plus 2b cube. As like this, by using formula, you simplify the examples. Example number 2. First bracket 3r minus 2k cube plus 3r plus 2k cube. So here we use the formula a minus b cube, and here we use the formula a plus b cube. So first expansion of this bracket, that is, this is A and this is B. Hence, cube of first 3r cube minus 3 into 3r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square minus, this is the second term, cube, 2k cube. Here is the plus sign, hence we write plus 3r cube plus 3 into 3r square 2k plus 3 into 3r 2k square plus 2k cube. So this is the expansion. Let make the multiplication and cubes of the number. 3r cube, cube of 3, that is 27 r cube, minus 3 into cube of this 9r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r into 4k square minus 8k cube. Here plus sign, 27r cube plus 3 into 9r square into 2k plus 3 into 3r square of 2 into 4k square plus 8k cube. Make these cube and multiplications very carefully, because of here again make the multiplications. 27r cube 3 into 9, that is 27, 2s are 24 minus 54 r square k plus 3 into 3, 9, 4s are 36, this is the plus 36 r k square minus 8k cube. Then here next plus 27r cube. Here is plus sign, hence the multiplication of this, plus 54r square k. Here again plus sign, hence 9 into 4 plus 36r k square and plus 8k cube. Let's see the like and unlike terms here. So which are that? Here 54r square k plus minus and plus 54r square k is cancelled to each other. Then 8 minus 8k cube plus 8k cube is get cancelled to each other. So which is remain here? Here plus 27r cube, Here also plus 27r cube. 36r k square. 36r k square. So make the addition of these two terms. 27 plus 27, 7 7 4, 54 r cube plus 6 6 12, 172 r k square. So by using the two expansion formula, we simplify the given example, example number 2. So very carefully you step by step that first expand the given example and then make the multiplication, and there are the terms which are unlike, they are cancelled to each other, and get simplify these examples. Example number 3, 4a minus 3 cube and second bracket 4a plus 3 cube. So let simplify this example. First use a minus b cube, the formula, and in second we use a plus b expansion formula. So see the first expansion. This is first term, this is second term. 4a cube minus, here is minus sign, hence 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a, 3 square minus 3 cube. This is the expansion of this first bracket. Then second bracket, here is minus sign, hence we write the square bracket. In the square bracket, outside this is the minus sign. First term, second term, 4a cube plus 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a second term square, square of 3 into cube of second term, square bracket complete. Then next step, you make the cubes and also the multiplication, cube, squares and the multiplication. By that we get here the cube of 4, 64a cube minus 3 into 16a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 9 minus cube of 3, 27 minus square bracket 64a cube plus 3 into 16a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 9 into 20 plus 27, square bracket complete. Next step, make the multiplications. Here 64a cube minus 3 into 16 into 3, that is 144 a square plus 3 into 4 into 9, 108A minus 27. Then make here also the multiplication. Minus 64A cube plus 144A, here also plus 3 into 4A into 9, that is 108A plus 27. Then we remove this bracket. For this we can change the signs because this is the minus sign outside the square bracket. Then we get this is as it is, 64A cube minus 144A square plus 108A minus 27. This is as it is. Then we change this sign. This is plus become minus 64A cube. This is also plus become minus 144A square. This is the plus become minus 108A. This is plus become minus 27. Then see the like and unlike terms. Here plus 64A cube minus 64A cube, they are get cancelled to each other. Here minus minus, hence these are like signs here. Here also plus minus, they are get cancelled to each other. And what is remain here? Minus 144A square minus 144A square is equal to 448. Here 448 and 2. Sign is minus A square. 27 plus 27, 7 minus sign, 4, 14 and here is 5. So by simplifying this example, we get answer minus 288A square minus 54 by using the two formula, that is A plus B cube and A minus B cube. We first expand the given brackets, then make the cube and squares and also the multiplication, and then get cancel the unlike terms here, and then make the addition of the like terms. We get the simplified examples answer here.